Good morning, everybody. A lot of you guys were asking me to make a video of this, of new Savings Star offers, because some of these offers go away like super quick. So just make sure to check your guys' app as soon as you can on Sunday mornings. Usually they have some great deals. Like right here, they got $1 off Advil. So I'm going to add that. Or actually, it's $2 off of Advil. And then they got Thermacare, $3 off. That's a great coupon. We got Stainmaster. I just add that even though I might not get it. I still just add it. I don't know why these are all popping up. 50 cents off a Snuggle and All. Zatarain's, my husband eats that stuff. Nexium, I don't think I'll get it, but I'm still going to add it. It doesn't expire until April 18th, so a lot of that stuff. These things are in here every single month. They never disappear, so there's those and those offers. So those are the offers that I have. But definitely add those if you guys are interested in that product. I will probably be getting a Thermacare and definitely probably some Advil because those are great coupons. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys all later. Bye-bye.